How to download your voice statements. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need your voice statements for taxes, accounting, or just personal records, well here is how to download them in just a second. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, it'll be prompted to your profile section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as statements and reports. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just select the statement and after that choose the period of the time that you want, like monthly, yearly, or a custom range. And after that, you can just tap on download PDF or get statement, and after that, the file will be saved to your device or opened instantly. And you can also do this from the Wise website. So there you just have to log in and go to your balance and just click statements, and that's it. That's how you can download your voice statements. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.